Let's talk money. Where does it come from, and why do some people earn more than others? In economics, there are a few key ways people earn money. Let's break them down simply. Economists talk about four main factors of production. Today, we might even add a fifth. Labor is the most accessible. You trade your time and skills for money. The easier you are to replace, the less you earn. Want more money? Build in-demand skills. Capital is money working for you. Investments, equipment, property, stocks. If you don't have it yet, start saving. Then invest. Land earns income through rent or natural resources like oil or forests. But access is limited in most countries. Entrepreneurs make money by taking risks and creating businesses. It's the toughest path, but often the most rewarding. Knowledge is a mix of labor and entrepreneurship. If you monetize knowledge yourself, that's business. You get paid for time or for risk. Learn to value your time and manage your risks wisely. Start with what you have. Grow from there.